Okay, today we're going to look at a little smart car, we Forfour. As you can see, all over the bonnet, its only friend to date is the birds. Quite grubby. We are going to take this little car inside. We're going to clean it up, and hopefully we're going to give it a complete new. Oh, a lot of things aren't working on it. The boot, for instance. We're going to give it an overhaul. It's got to get new discs. As you can see, they're quite rusty looking. Right around here we can see they've got to the stage now where they're actually really tired looking. So there's going to be new discs, new shock absorbers, new springs, and hopefully, excuse me, when we're done we will have a tidy, tight little car worthy of going back on the road. At the minute she's just off the road, MOT's up. Good enough in every other way, body wise it's good, just grubby and dirty, but a little bit of elbow grease and a little bit of time and we will get this thing looking good. So we'll keep you posted on our process as we go. Thanks for watching. Right folks, this wee smart car, we have it in. We're going to do this up as a wee promotional car for still motoring. So I've had the wheels loosened, we've done our little wash, it's filthy. If you come along here you can look at what we're going to do. We're going to change these discs. They're just rusted away, useless, no use at all. We're going to change the shock absorbers and we're going to change the springs in here. And as you can see, we've already been cleaning at the back axle. And if you're wondering what that is, that's rust remover. So we're showing you wee bits as we go along. We're going to repaint the whole back axle as well. Same at this side, as you can see the rust. You can nearly beat it off with your fingers. It's absolutely rotten. We need a new guard in these as well. We'll have to replace both. But we're going to have a little video of the whole way through this. We're going to show you from taking these off, changing discs and stuff, and we're going to keep a wee log of it the whole way up, and hopefully by then you'll see this car all redone and down and ready for it.